Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and you're watching this video because you're searching for the best Foot Locker promo codes in 2024, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. How to get some Foot Locker discount codes that's going to save you a minimum of $100 off your next order. And this is a promo code, and basically guys, these work worldwide, so it doesn't matter if you're not in the US, it will just translate to your local currency. So for me that's around 80 Great British pounds. So let me record my screen. You need to use your mobile phone for this, guys. That's the only thing you need to grab, and open up the internet and type this website in there: www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to make sure you type it exactly how I did there. So pause the video, copy that down, because you need to go to this website. Now, as you can see on my screen, there is tons and tons of different pages. There's the actual Foot Locker page there, but if you don't want to scroll through and manually look for the Foot Locker page, you can go to search and just type in foot, and it'll pop up Foot Locker coupons and deals. So just navigate your way to this page. Like I said, you can go to the search bar. So there are a couple of different Foot Locker promo codes for 2024. There's a $100 promo code, and you can also see there a 50% off your next order code. So just calculate which one's going to save you money. If you're going to be spending multiples of hundreds, the 50% off code's probably going to be better than the $100. So just choose the code that you want. So click on show coupon, and basically you can see, guys, it gives us just the sorry I've got a bit of a cough. It gives you the start of the code, but you need to reveal the rest of the code. Now these codes are pretty valuable. Obviously $100 is quite a lot of money, so this just prevents someone from taking all of the codes. So tap unlock code, and there is a short process to unlock your personal and unique Foot Locker promo code. Okay, so now you're going to see this Foot Locker code unlocker. That's a tongue twister. Pretty self-explanatory though, guys. You just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below. And on my screen here, you can see I have a list of various different tasks. And on the right side, you can see they're all completely free. And there is also a small description below each of them, telling you what you need to do if you was to choose that task. So these can range from downloading and playing some free games, to just answering some questionnaires where you have to input some information. Obviously you have to make sure you put in your correct email, whatever it asks you, because it does verify you as a real person. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to complete 2 of these tasks, and then when I return, it'll probably take me around 5 to 10 minutes. We can see if it gives me my Foot Locker promo code. So I'll see you in a few minutes. So guys, I've returned. Now with the power of editing, that probably only looked like a couple of seconds, but that did actually take me around 10 minutes to complete 2 of these tasks. I didn't mind doing that. I played a free game there where I had to download it and complete level 8. And then I just finished off a survey where I had to answer some questions and input an email address. So that is it. Pretty easy. So now I've completed those, I'm going to press my tabs button, and now because I've passed that verification, I've got this Foot Locker coupons tab down here that when I open up, it now has revealed my $100 Foot Locker promo code, and I can copy this. And when I use this in a few minutes, it's going to be invalid. These codes are one-time use, so when you get your code, make sure you use it yourself. Otherwise, you're going to have to repeat the process to get a fresh code for you. So go to Top Dog Codes and get your Foot Locker promo codes. If you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. Apologies for my cough. I think I've caught something this winter, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, leave a comment below, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Enjoy your discounts. Peace out.